Okay, so the next part we're going to take a look at is the hand. So the hand is essentially a mitten hand that I have created. So you've got the larger side of the mitten, this side. You've also then got a thumb on the other side. I've done this deliberately so that you can hold items, and there's a little bit of spring still in the cardboard to allow you to grip items. So you end up with a working hand essentially. It's simple but effective. You can add more detail as you see fit, but if you want to individualize out the fingers, you can do if you want to put gloves on it. Now, the mating face here with the lower arm, you've already got, because you've already got the dimensions for that. So if you just make up another mating face and mirror it, here you want to cut down the sides, or one side of the different parts you've got going on here. So the thickness of the wrist and the width of the wrist, and that will then allow you to pass a rope through it. So what you'll end up with is a shape that looks approximately like this, and it's going to form that this is the mating face against your lower arm, and this is going to form the basis of your hand shape. What we're going to do is just take the distance from your wrist up to where your finger crease is, where you are at the top of your palm, and it's that dimension that you need to measure. We're just going to cut some pieces that length, 4 to be exact. Now, just take 2 of those 4, place them onto your mating face to your lower arm or your wrist. You can measure across here, across the width of your palm top, where your finger crease is. And what you're going to do is you're going to position 2 of the pieces here, and then put that palm top finger crease width a piece on as well. So that's going to create a shape like that. So you can see there is like an isosceles triangle shape happening, and then you place the width on the top. What you want to do is produce exactly the same on the other side. So just do the same again, and you will end up with essentially a cup shape, for want of a better word, a square cup shape. So you can see it slightly splays out at the top. This represents the shape of your hand, and then you add those width sections on as well. One side, then the other. And if you leave them open and don't glue them down, then you can still get access inside the cup sort of section of the palm. Now, because you've got a width piece added at the top on both sides, one side forms the basis for the bigger side of your mitten, so you just add more pieces on until you feel that you've created the length of your fingers, and on the other side you just add on thumb sections until you feel that you have created a long enough thumb as well. Like I say, if I take an object, my hand can hold the object. So it's kind of useful. But when it's placed on the model, it makes the arm look correct in terms of the dimensioning as well. Okay, so that's how to make the hand. On to the next video.